I made some mistakes when I started this channel, and that is why I was not growing at the initial stages. As a new YouTuber, I was not having so much experience, so there were certain things I was doing wrong. I didn't know they were actually wrong. So when I got some experience and I tried to fix those mistakes and issues, I started seeing improvement on this particular channel. My channel started growing. So in this video, I want to share with you these mistakes so that you can avoid them if you want your YouTube channel to grow. The first mistake I made on YouTube is that I was not being myself. I wanted to be perfect. I scripted videos and tried to memorize them. Sometimes it takes me about 5 hours to record a video, and after recording, I delete the video because after watching the video, I realized that I am not enjoying it. So if I'm not enjoying it, how are my viewers also going to enjoy it? Because I'm not doing it from my natural self, you understand? But then, feel free, be your natural self, make mistakes, okay, and then correct them next time. You get me? And by doing that, you'll be learning, you'll be gaining experience from that. So that is a mistake I made. Now, the second mistake I also made when I started YouTube is that I was, sharing my links to people. But sharing your YouTube links to people, to your family and friends is very bad, okay? The reason is that when you do that, you are not allowing YouTube to do its own job. After uploading a video, you need to allow YouTube to find the right audience for your video. Once you start sharing your videos immediately after uploading, a lot of people from different angles who are not interested in your content will watch your videos. And they are not going to watch your videos in full. They are just going to watch it for a few seconds, and it will send a negative signal to the algorithm, you understand? So I was making some of these mistakes, and it was not helping me. YouTube was not recommending my videos because YouTube will see you as, okay, you can do the job. If you can do the job, then why should I help you? Continue doing your job. And let me give you this advice. If you want to share your video, okay, share it to the right people. You understand? Good. And if you want to share it to the right people, there's this thing you should do. Don't share your video immediately after uploading it. I prefer that you share your videos 2 hours after uploading. This is because by the 2 hours time, YouTube has started recommending your videos. Okay, YouTube has found your audience, you understand? But if you share your link immediately after uploading the video, you are confusing the algorithm. You are making the work of the algorithm difficult. Even some content creators suggest that you share your video after 24 hours. You understand? So if you can share it after 24 hours, that is good. But if you can't, share it after 2 hours. So, and now to the most important thing. But then it doesn't mean the rest are important. Now this mistake really hurt me, and it is, I was not using end screens on my videos. Look, end screens are very, very, very important. Trust me, end screens are very, very important. I started YouTube, I didn't know what end screens were. I was just posting my videos without putting end screens on my videos. Could you believe, since I started since I started using end screens on my videos, YouTube has started recommending my videos to a lot of people. I've started getting a lot of views. In fact, I can see growth on this channel since I started using end screens. You understand? By the way, if you don't know end screens are those videos that are displayed at the end of a video. When you watch a video to the end, there is, this videos that are displayed at the end of the video. That is what we call end screen. So if you have a video that is getting views, make sure that you put end screens on those videos so that when your viewers watch your video, they will continue to watch it. You understand? And then once they keep on watching and they are still on the channel, it is sending a positive signal to YouTube and the algorithm. So YouTube will gradually start recommending your video. In fact, YouTube has been recommending my videos these days because of my end screens. So whether you have views on your video or not, put end screens on it. It is very good. It sends a positive signal to the algorithm. In fact, for this one, I really regret for not using end screens on my videos. And if you don't know how to create end screen, I have a video on how to create end screen. You can check somewhere up here, or you can check the description for the video. I also made this mistake, and this mistake is very bad. You should avoid it. Okay, I chose the wrong niche. Okay, but then it is not this particular channel, it is my other channel which I quit. Okay, I chose the wrong niche. You see, choosing the wrong niche is very, very bad. This is because it is something you are not passionate about. You understand? Choose a niche that you are passionate about, a niche that you can always do, a niche that you will feel free, you will feel happy, you will feel comfortable to do videos on. You understand? My other channel which I deleted, it was an entertainment niche. I was not enjoying it, but I was doing it because I learned entertainment niches, give a lot of views, which is true. That is why I was in that niche. But I realized I was not passionate about it, and it was a big mistake I made. So I quit it. And when I started this channel, I tried to do something I love, something I wish, something I can easily do. You understand? So make sure that you choose a niche you are passionate about. And now to my next mistake. This is one of the reasons why I was not growing. And for this one, I don't really blame myself so much because it was somehow technical. So I didn't understand when I started YouTube, and that is audience retention. I didn't really understand audience retention, so I was not giving audience retention much attention. Most of my initial videos were having audience retention below 2 minutes. Okay, and once your audience retention is low, there's no way you are going to go viral. There's no way YouTube is going to recommend your videos. Remember that YouTube is a business. Okay, YouTube is a business platform. The more you keep people on your channel or on your videos, the more YouTube promotes their videos, because YouTube wants to make money. So YouTube love videos or content that keep people on their platform. You understand? So when I got more experience on YouTube here, I try to put in more effort on my audience retention. I try to hook my audience within the first 30 seconds of the video, and also within the rest of the video I try to put in some strategies to make sure that my audience will keep on watching my videos. And since then I started getting views. YouTube started recommending my videos. You understand? So guys, go to your analytics, check your audience retention to see if it is low. If it is low, you need to work on it. Okay. And finally, for this mistake, it is something most small YouTubers and new YouTubers are making. You understand? I think I'm not the only one, and that is optimization. Okay, yes. So when I started YouTube, I was not optimizing my content. My titles were not that great. Okay, yes, my titles were not that great. They were not really catchy. Yeah, they were not really catchy. My description, I was also not putting so much concentration on my description. Okay, in fact, make sure that you put the title in your description. Okay, your description should contain the keywords in your title. Okay, it is better to even put the whole title in the description. Okay, and then you can use vidIQ, or you can use ChatGPT to generate some brief description and then paste it there with some tags. You understand? So I was not doing all these things, and it was really dragging me down. You understand? Ever since I got to know that description is very important, title is very important, I've started seeing massive improvements on my channel. You understand? But the mistakes are many, but these were some of the little mistakes I was making. And as I said earlier, that I regret not using end screens on my videos. So if you don't know how to use end screens, you can check this video on my screen right now to learn how to put end screens on your videos. And trust me, YouTube will start recommending your videos and your channel will start growing. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you another time.